Hi, Christina again. Let's see what today's question is. There are several ways to have a perfect hairline. It just depends on the client. If you do a full liquid frontal hairline where you just use liquid adhesive only and no tape, I find that to be the most natural just because you don't see the tape or the glare of the tape underneath the hair system. If a client prefers tape adhesive at the front, what I would recommend is either the lace front, so our blue liner, or the no shine. Just because those ones are less shiny, they're a little bit more matte. So another way to have a more natural hairline is to make sure there's less density at the front of the hairpiece. So where you can actually see through it. And also, the base is a huge factor in whether the hairline looks natural. Like if you have a full poly mono base, it might not look the most natural if you decide to wear it up. But it could look natural if you decide to style it a different way. So if you're looking for more of a brush back up style pompadour style, our skin-based systems and our lace-based systems would be your best option. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye!